What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today on the Civic I finally finished all the interior. I'll show you. So as you know, I got all the inside of the interior painted black, well except for the hatch, but that won't take me long. And I still gotta paint the doors, but I'm gonna do that off camera because definitely did enough painting on this already. So yeah, as you can tell, everything is all painted. Alright, so now that I got all the interior minus just the doors and everything painted, I'm gonna actually take off the hood just because it's got this dent and it looks like it's got, you know, some Bondo on it. So I'm gonna actually order a new hood, but I'll show you my fender that I got off of eBay. So this is the fender that the guy said it had a couple of scuffs. So I'm okay with, you know, this crap, but it's got a big dent here and right where it lines up to the frame rail or whatever you call it. That basically is all smashed. It's like pushed up, so I'm not even gonna worry about that. I'm just gonna order another fender. So I need to order a hood, 2 bumpers, and then I need to do the quarter panel. I did order new mirrors. Well, as you can tell, it's a little loose, and on the driver's side, that one, it was all completely trash. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, so as you can tell, this is all broken off inside, so it doesn't even work. So I gotta order, and I already ordered that. That should be here this week. So hopefully I can get most of everything all taken care of, everything ordered, so I could do more content than just painting. Because I don't know if you guys are liking it or whatnot, but you know, painting, it could be fun, but at the same time a little stressful. But I'm glad that all the inside, it's done, and I don't have to worry about that until I paint the engine bay. That'll be the next step, but I'm gonna wait till the summer and everything when it actually gets really nice out, so I don't have to mess with any of, you know, I'm actually gonna like do like a real good job and use a spray gun up there, so I'm gonna use that. But I did get some new stuff. I know it's just little things here and there, but it will help the channel. Alright, so the first thing I got was this Joby Gorilla Pod. It's an accessory. It's like called the Rig Upgrade. So basically what this does is it connects to the bottom of my tripod, and I could put lights, or I could do a microphone, and it comes with the strap and everything. Honestly, for I think it was $44 on Amazon. That was a pretty damn good deal. And I got a recommendation from my buddy Eric that does all the videos, the good edits and everything for the FRS. And the first Civic that I owned, he did that video, so shout out to you, Eric. He actually told me to get this. It's basically a little LED light, and it comes like with like the GoPro deal and everything, so I don't have to worry about losing light or anything. But my biggest thing I bought was a welder. It's a 220 volt, so basically I could just use regular power and everything, so I don't have to worry about like 220 or anything like crazy like that. I just got it just because it was on sale for $179, so I figured why not I'm gonna try to learn how to do some welding and everything, since you know I have to weld out that one spot in on the firewall of the Civic. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna practice. So maybe some next videos it's gonna be me welding, practicing, just because I really want to learn how to do it, because I need to. Let me see if so as you can tell right there, that's the piece that I need to actually weld. So I'm pretty excited about getting a welder. It's my first little welder that I'm gonna get. You know, I know it's nothing crazy. I know it's not the best welder, but hey, you gotta start somewhere, right? So I'm pretty excited because it actually came with wiring, or the wire for the welder and everything. So all I gotta do is plug it in and start welding. Pretty excited about that. So that's just a little update, you know, of what's going on, how the Civic's looking and everything, all the new stuff that I got, you know, to make the channel a little better. But the next thing is my buddy Eric. He actually found another video. If you look back in my old YouTube videos, I used to have an FRS before my Civics and everything. That's basically what I started the channel off with. And he made a video. So I'm gonna play that right now. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.